everybody, and welcome to today's video on this. This is a 1960s scripto lighter. Now, I did make a short on this, and I said I would release this video, or well, a video. Now, I did not release that video because it's a little, I said funky. It's not up to my standard. Anyway, what I will be doing is showing kind of the process here. So this was the wick that was in it. As you guys can see, it's bad in almost every way. There. Yeah, that might actually be the worst wick I've recovered out of a lighter. It's like it's very jamming in. Anyway, that's beside the point. This is a new one that has been reinstalled. That has been installed. Now we've got some cleaning. I did want to show kind of the process of how I maintain these. Now I usually use a lot of this grease. This is a silicone-based grease, and I use it on all the hinge pins, any metal-on-metal contact, mostly. And so we're probably gonna get into the install here. Wait a minute, that's kind of better almost. Oh, it's dirty. Never mind. Doesn't work. Sorry for any background noise. There we go. So we have this. Oh, I have it on backwards. No, I don't. No, I didn't. Okay. I had it in backwards. There. But, yes, that's kind of not really the process. That shows kind of most of the assembly. Now, what I used to get, I didn't show that in the last video, and I kind of wanted to. So, how I got these working properly, this doesn't stick anymore, because these, gaskets are now getting a little old, and are now kind of falling apart. I took this. This is another silicone-based grease. This is, I think it's 40,000 or 60,000 weight, and ran it into the this area, and then put some fuel in there, shook it around, got it out, got all that stuff out of there, and it has not leaked. And actually, if you look at it, I don't have a thing over it. The gaskets are actually kind of, it's almost kind of put a little bit of life back into them. They're kind of gaskets again, at least for this, for now. So I did mention this in the last video as well. These letters are a little sketchy. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a really thin metal on the top. Kind of an issue because the entire body is made of plastic. So that's kind of a thing. Quick jump cut because the wick was giving me some issues. Here. This, so this thing out of the way. Now, I did say I didn't really want a flamethrower, but there it is. Oh, jeez. Okay, making sure it's not too warm. But anyways, that is the rebuilding and what I do to kind of keep these things running, I guess. And what I did to keep this thing running smooth, even though the original fuels are in it. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comment section below. See you guys in the next one, and goodbye.